So how was the day, everyone? Can we have some interactions so that it would be like one and one? So I don't feel like I am talking with wall or something. I think if you are speaking means you are on mute, Teshi.
So sorry. I guess we are live now. है ना? So we can start the session. Let me just give a short intro. है ना? So welcome everyone. Welcome to the Cipher Week second workshop. Today we have our special guest, Nandan, who is founding member of Curious Developer, and he is going to, guide you through this Git and GitHub workshop about the principles, the functionality, everything. And it's not only related to the CipherThon week and CipherThon event or like that. Anyone from anywhere, any student can join this Git and GitHub workshop. It's open to everyone and everyone can join. So Nandan, I guess you can take over the session now. है ना?
Yeah,
And
sure.
guys, please be interactive. If you're not able to speak, you can interact through our chat. है ना? I guess Nandan will be looking into it. And
Thank you.
if you want to display anything or present anything, it's feel free to do.
Sure. Actually, the present option is not enabled. Like, can you give me?
Okay. If you try to do it, if it is not presenting, I will be there to assist.
Yes, so actually I need to demonstrate. Na? So like, can you give me the access to present?
Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I will.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
So in the meanwhile, I'll introduce myself.
Of course.
Yeah, so hi everyone, I'm Nandan, okay, working as a DevOps engineer at Capgemini Products, okay. So I have been working in DevOps field from past 2.9 years. So I passed out in 2021 from Kalpataru Institute of Technology. Yeah, so I am well versed in DevOps tools like Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and also backend technology, Java, and also Spring Boot Hibernate. So not only this, I'm also a founder of a Curious ecosystem. So as she was telling, Curious Developers Community is one of the flagship open source developers community from Curious ecosystem. So there we are having 25,000 plus peoples, 10 plus different countries. We are currently on live and 2,000 plus colleges we have onboarded as a open source developers community. And yeah, so I'm very excited today to share my knowledge on Git and GitHub through CyberSchool. So yeah, so this particular session, it's like I don't think like we are mentors and you are mentees. Okay, so let's be a friendly. Okay, and whatever the doubt you have, just raise your doubts and just have a conversation instead of like a ancient way of like introducing or sessioning. Like we can have we can have advanced way like having one-on-one integrations. Like if you have any doubts or any concerns that needs to be shared on any concepts, just raise your voice. Okay, so that might help you to gain experience and clear your doubt on the go. Perfect. So can we have any heads up, uh, guys? Yes, perfect. So yeah, so before starting to the session, okay, so I want to just ask few questions. So how many of you aware of Git and GitHub?
I'm so
So
sorry to interrupt, Nandan. I'm so sorry. You can now share the your screen also. Can you please do that?
yeah, I saw, yes.
Okay. Okay,
So
Nandan. Please
hmm,
continue with the session.
sure.
Thank you.
So Thank you, Ishi. So, how many of you guys aware of Git and GitHub? Have you ever tried to create repository and pushing the code, pulling the code from there, and have you felt any difference from traditional file system and version-based file system? Can we have any few words? What difference you got to know from that? So, traditional file system and also the version control file system. So let's have a conversation. Okay, let it be a conversation session. Okay, not a boring session. So I hope it will be very resourceful and not only for hackathon. So this Git and GitHub is much needed for your entire development journey and also technology journey. Okay, if you want to continue your career as a technology enthusiast, so Git and GitHub is very much needed. Okay, so not only Git, there are other version control systems are there, but for all the version controls there is a basement, or you can call it as a foundation, that is called Git. Okay, so how many of you know? Okay, so I want some like interactions through unmute. Okay, just I'm seeing the chat. So can we, Divya, can you share experience how much you know on Git? So why this question is asking means like I should have some understanding how much people know, from where I need to start my start delivering what I know on Git and GitHub. So can we have Divya? Can you just share your experience? Like you can share. Everyone knows Hindi, right here? Who don't know Hindi? Yes. So yeah, Divya, yes sir, I just create my account. Great. So Anand, what about you? Like have you tried using it and GitHub? So yeah, no worries. So I don't know, like yes, basic things. Okay, so we can start now. So basically, what happens now? Like engineers are somewhat like if we find any problem in certain things, okay. So engineering, what we learn, na, it always find a particular way of solving it. Okay, so traditional system में क्या हो रहा था ना, so I will use Hindi and English. Is that comfortable for everyone? Perfect. So traditional file system, what was happening, right? So people were creating the product or they were creating the website, okay, and they were keeping that file in their system, okay, and from that the problem what they got, they can't able to do coding or they can't do the development work with different people, okay, as a collaboration. So if Rahul is working on some project, okay, he is working in his team, right? So in his team, he might have 2 people, 5 people, 10 people. So everyone that if he's using traditional file system, not all people can come in his PC and do it, right? So due to that particular problem, so Git company previously it was previously it was the independent organization. Recently, in recent days, they have like acquired Git for some $1 billion, and they have done lots of development. Okay, so now what is the advantage of this particular Git and GitHub means Git is a version control system, okay, which helps you to keep your source code backup and collaborate the code with your teammate, okay, and keep up the things as a tagging. Okay, so for each commit, if you see, there will be some unique code. Okay, so using that unique code you can revert the changes, you can update the changes, or you can discard the changes. You guys got to know, right? It's like a backup and restore, you know, so everyone knows backup and restore, right? So everyone should know because you are from technology background. So anyone from here non-technology background? Arey, everyone knows how to speak, right? कोई तो unmute करके बात करो ना. So
Yes,
Tari,
sir.
Yeah, thank you, Kunal. Thank you. So only Kunal. What about others? Ankush, yes. Yeah, so see guys, okay, so the interaction should be interactive. Okay, so if it is not interactive, then there is no word of interaction. Okay, it will be just like a boring session which is delivering from some XYZ person to someone, okay, whether they are listening or they were not listening. Okay, so if it is interactive, it would be like an interesting one. Okay, so yeah, where I was, yeah, so I was just informing, I was just telling you the difference between Git and traditional file system, right? So in Git, what happens, like you can do multiple stuffs, okay, multiple stuffs based on the tagging, okay, and based on the branching, okay. Branching matlab kya hota hai? So I will show everything in step by step. Okay, just prior to go hands on, I'm just sharing the experience on Git, so that you will know little bit on how the development is going to be happen. Okay, using Git. And not only in advanced, like not only on the basic level of Git, like creating a repository, like pushing the code, pulling the code. Not only on that, today I'm going to share the advanced level product development lifecycle. Okay, there we will use certain feature of Git, like a Git flow. Okay, so I will show you what is Git flow. So in a structured manner, so that our product will be furnished once the development is completely finished, done. Okay, completely done. Once our development is completely done, so it will give a very good furnish to our code in a structured like procedure. Okay, so that also I will show. So I hope that will help you to tackle the tackle the individual problems and work in a team. Okay, so by sharing your source code or by uploading your like project to the Git, okay, and collaborating with your teammate. Is that fine? So till now, whatever we have just discussed, is that clear? So what is Git and what is a traditional file system? Is that clear? Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, great. So, and for CipherThon or like any hackathons or any like product development you are doing means, okay. So you must and should like use Git or any other version controls. Like we have Bitbucket and GitLabs. Okay, so those are like alternative options to Git. Okay, but majorly so many companies use Git as a version control, version control product for their product development lifecycle. Okay, so can we just start with more hands-on? So I want people just to have hands-on along with me. Okay, so that you will also get some, just getting started idea on Git. Okay, so there will be lots of tutorials also in YouTube, but that tutorial might be a very lengthy. Okay, so if you are doing with a live sessions, you can just raise your concerns, or if you are doing, if you have any questions, you can just share those questions. Okay, so that we can just clear those things right away now. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible, right? So is my screen visible, or at least yes or no? I know I'm sharing the
Yes, sir.
screen, but still I
Yes,
want
sir.
distraction. Yes, perfect. So yeah, so I hope my like repository screen also visible, right? So everyone knows this is the dashboard of Git, right? So if you don't know, just sign. There will be a link. You Git sign up. Okay. So with this link, you just need to sign up. Do I need to show how to sign up? Everyone knows, right, how to sign up? People?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sure. So I hope everyone signed up with your email. Okay. So now what we do? So let's consider some problem statement. Okay. So I am a beginner. Okay. So I want to build a web development project. Okay. So in my project there are 2 to 3 people are working. So how can I do that? Okay, so how can I follow that particular steps? What are the things I need to consider? How to raise pull request? Okay, and how to merge the code by reviewing it? Okay, so everything we will check one by one. Okay, if you get any doubts in between, just let me know. I will stop it there itself and I will clear you. Okay. So first, basically, मैं क्या करता हूँ? So I will create a new repository. Okay, so I will give the web development project name as inspiration application. Okay, inspiration application. Okay, so if you can give also any description for your repository so that other people will get to know what is it. Okay, what this repository is. So I will just add a blank readme. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so .gitignore is something, a file, okay, which helps you to like just keep away the credentials or sensitive information that is being shared to public. Okay, so I will show you how this .gitignore works. Okay, and it will help you to keep preserve your information, sensitive information that be not tracked to Git. Okay, so how it can be done and what are the steps needs to follow, that will also I will show you. Okay, so here it is asking, boss, please give me a template. Okay, so Git is intelligent system. It knows already what are the things needs to be ignored, like being ignored for being tracked. Okay, so here my system is like my product is based on Mern stack. Okay, so I will just give React here. So React is not there. Yes, I will give Node. Okay, so license is I think if you are technological background, you might know what is this MIT license, what is GNU. Okay, what is Apache license 2.0. Okay, so for like our product, I will give MIT. Okay, and I will create a repository. So I hope everyone done this, right? So is that right what I'm telling? Yeah. Is like everyone done this mistake?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if you see in .gitignore, we were having some templates. Okay, so I choose the node template because it is correspondent to my inspiration application. Okay, so this inspiration application is based on React technology, which I am building. So I am having I selected node like a node template. So once you give node template, it will just throw some basic stuffs. Okay, so see, so .env file, in .env file we are having lots of credentials and environment sensitive informations. Okay, so environment sensitive information matlab kya hota hai na, so like if you are communicating with any cloud services. Okay, so you are deploying your code from your native to the cloud infrastructure. Okay, so that time the authentication system will be happening from your PC to the cloud infrastructure. So all those authentication systems like credentials or API tokens or application username password, so everything will be added inside the .env. So these things should not be shared as a public. If you shared as a public, third party peoples or hackers try to gather those information, and it will help you to get hacked your particular product. Okay, so like please understand, this is very important. So before building the any kind of application or website, okay, keep all your sensitive informations inside .env file. Okay, I hope this is clear. So like next thing in this, what needs to be shown? Yeah, so this is node modules. Okay, so if you guys have experience on React, this node modules is very big. Okay, so it contains lots of like packages. That packages might be a very bigger in size. Okay, when you try to push your code to the Git, okay, it will definitely cause interruptions. Sometimes it might contribute in breaking the like actual operations. Okay, so you should be you should exclude this file before pushing. Okay, so this much clear what we just discussed on git, like a git ignore template. Yes, so in next step
Yes,
what
sir.
we are doing. Yes, thank you, Rahul. Yeah, so in next step what we are doing, see, I have this particular repository in my remote का मतलब क्या होता है ना, remote का मतलब it is available in your browser, means remote somewhere. Okay, it is available in somewhere cloud. Okay, so you don't have this particular repository tracked in your system. So आपका पास question like you might have a question. So how whatever the code I have wrote in local and whatever the code is available in browser, how the communication will happen? Okay, so this doubt will be it will be a common in all the developers during their initial stage, right? So what I will show, okay, I will first show how to clone the repository. So there will be three different ways to clone. Okay, the first way is like there are multiple ways, not three. Okay, there are 4 5 ways you can do development work directly from this browser and taking the code to your local, and you can work. Okay, so I will give a crisp of all the things. Okay, so first we will understand about these three categories. Okay, so first category में क्या है, this is basically a REST way of like REST call, REST API calls. Everyone knows REST API calls.
Can you
Don't
say
know
one more time, sir?
REST API call. Do you have any experience on REST services? REST.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So REST services मतलब क्या होता है ना? So you will push the code. Okay, that code you will push some data through a API. Let's consider you are like posting a information to the server via the post method. Okay, post method will be having some like a payload. Okay, payload मतलब क्या होता है ना, like if you are building an application that
Like
in
we
that
used to study the post, so like post and get command, which we used to study.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, that is one. Okay, so when you are pushing the code to repository in backend, what happens now? Like basically REST APIs will be called to this repository. So with the payload, okay, I will show the payload also how it is. I was doing one project. In that project, we are able to track all the required calls that is going to hit the Git servers. Okay, I will show that also. So now we will understand. So like HTTPS matlab kya hota hai? So using REST services, you are cloning your project to your local. Okay, like we have another way. This is SSH based. SSH based authentication system. Okay, so basically for this SSH authentication system, it's a secure shell. Okay, so it is advanced than HTTPS. Okay, in SSH, no third party access no third party access is granted. Okay, so that your code or your clone project will be more secured. Okay, so either you can use HTTPS or SSH, or if you don't want, there will be another option called code space. Okay, you can create a code space like this, but this code space in free environment, in free tier. Okay, so you might not get like an opportunity to create multiple code spaces. Okay, so code spaces matlab kya hota, so you can directly edit your project inside the browser only. Okay, so you don't need to take the repository to your local and do the changes. Okay, so like you can either use this one, or you can also use like taking this particular code in local and you can work. Okay, this much clear, na? So I'm telling all this information by keeping a track that here so many people might not knowing Git from the scratch level. Okay, so I'm not going in an advanced way. Okay, so I'm going from very basic very basic way. Okay, so मैं अभी क्या करता हूँ, like I will create a sample repository. Okay, so I will give a repository, I mean folder name as project. Okay, always when you are doing any kind of project, okay, keep that in a structured manner. Okay, so by this it will reduce your time to search what you are doing, where you are doing. Okay, so sometimes we will create repository directly by opening Visual Studio Code. It's not at all recommended, because in Visual Studio Code the default location will be different. Okay, so the default location of cloning the project will be different from one PC to another PC. Okay, so like you might get difficulty to find where your project is. If you taken multiple clones, you will get confused. Okay, in which particular repository, in which particular folder I have made changes. So always, if you are working on any live project, keep that code in your local, I mean in your desktop. Okay, here if you see all our products what we are building, it's available in desktop, because I should know where I am doing. Okay, so मैं क्या करता हूँ अभी, like I will go inside this. Okay, इधर से I will open CMD. How I open the CMD, like there is a like you can call it as a path viewer. Okay, you can click on this, just give CMD. Okay, like command prompt will be opening. Okay, so with the basic stuff, the basic command which is helpful for you to take the clone means, this is only two word. Okay, just give git clone, okay, and paste that URL. Okay, the URL which you copied from the browser. Okay, and hit enter. So अभी क्या हुआ, cloning हुआ. अब whatever the code you have in your remote is available in your local, right? So if you are working in Windows, the command is dir. Okay, so if you give dir, it will show all the list of files which is available in your folder. Okay, where you are cloning. Okay, yeah, like as of now I am cloning in project folder, so it is available, my product or my application source code is available inside the project. So if you have multiple files, it will list all the multiple files. Okay, so next thing what I need to do, so I need to go inside this. Okay, so just give cd, change the directory, give the first letter and press tab. Okay, what is tab? Before your caps lock, there will be another key called tab. Okay, so just press that tab by giving first letter of your project. Okay, so it will go inside that. From here, just give cod dot. Okay, it will open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, I hope everyone are using Visual Studio Code, right? So who don't know about Visual Studio Code? Who don't know about Visual Studio Code? Everyone knows, right? Yes, perfect,
sir.
perfect. Yes. So yeah, so where we were, like we have taken the code to my local machine and I opened through Visual Studio Code. Okay, so in Visual Studio Code, okay, so you will get all the I mean all the files which is like all the extensions that will help you to do your development work in an efficient manner. Okay, so there are certain extensions, okay, that will help you to push the code and pull the code or keep the code as a structured perspective. All those things will be available inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here if you see there is a extension from Git. Okay, so it will help you to track the pull request, okay, issues which has been raised by your teammate. Okay, so everything you can just do directly from your local machine instead of going again and again to the repository. There if you it will be like a hectic, right? So there will be multiple issues raised by your developers, like every time you can't go check on browser. So Microsoft has developed this awesome extension, help you to track multiple stuffs directly inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so अभी तक मैं क्या करता हूँ? So like मेरे पास like I don't have any code right here related to my product, right? So what I need to do? So let's see, like I am the first person who is doing development work. Okay, so I will create like a blank like sample index.html. Okay, inside that I will create a blank template, HTML template. Here I will give git info. Okay, and I will give that some h1 tag. Okay, so I will give some sample HTML code, and here I will visualize it. Sorry, not this one, this one. So here I will visualize it. So what I have, so I have welcome to Git session. Okay, so first what I will do, whatever the code you have, you have made modifications here, that is not available in in the remote. Okay, in the remote means in your browser. Okay, so what you need to do, the first step, what you need to consider, you need to know which branch you are working. Okay, what is branch I will show you in next consecutive steps. Okay, I will just give git branch. So see, I am working on the main branch. Main branch का मतलब क्या होता है ना? Main branch का मतलब production branch होता है. Okay, production branch means which is live for the developers. Okay, and which is live for the developers to make fast changes and visualize perspective or operation perspective may like client. Okay, client or your live users. Okay, live users might using this particular branch to see or to work in efficiently. Okay, so if you are booking like a air flight ticket in any of the platforms like no, Exigo or any Indigo flight well application or website, means they are using the production branch. Okay, production branch ka code, it should be very sensitive, and no beginner developer should touch that. Okay, so it will be like a interruption to the normal flow. Okay, if you make any modifications and push directly to the main branch. Okay, so I will just give git branch. Now I got to know which branch I am working in. Okay, so I will see the status of this branch. Okay, in this status, what it is showing, you have added a file, okay, with the name index.html. Okay, and this is not tracked. To track it, it is telling please use git add. Okay, so we need to, whatever the files I have made the modifications, I need to add that file, right? If I did not add, it won't go to our remote, right? So you can either use git add with the file name. Okay, either you can use like this. If there are 100 files which you made modifications, then you need to use git add dot. This much clear, na? Again you check the status. Okay, if you check the status, see here a red color से green color like it changed ना. इसका मतलब क्या है? So whatever the changes you have made, it is tracked now. Okay, means git को समझ में आया ये changes developers ने बनाया है. So I need to keep these changes in with me. So once the developer push the code to cloud, okay, so I can show this file over there. ओके अभी मैं क्या करना, मैं कमिट करना है कोड, राइट? कमिट मतलब लाइक कीपिंग योर सोर्स कोड like in a track to push. Okay, so means rocket launch होने का टाइम में like it will be on a particular place, right? So then the scientist will tell 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So now it's like that. Okay, it is in staged. Okay, so I need to commit it. What is the command? See here. So if you just decode this particular command, there will be a very basic things. Okay, so git commit -m index.html added. Okay, this particular message should be valid so that your friend or your collaborator who is working on this project will get to know what changes you have made, in which file you have made, for which feature you have made. So abhi tak this is my first commit na, so I just gave index.html added. Okay, so I committed the file and I press enter. Okay, so it will show the things. See, this is the tag what I said. Tag ka matlab it is a unique code which will be created automatically for each commits. Okay, so you can check with the command called git log. See here, git log का मतलब क्या होता है? So it will show you what all are the changes you have made. Okay, and what are the commits, what are the commits code is available. So if you see E24288F6, okay, this is what the commit code, right? In this commit code में क्या किया, नया file add किया. So I will push it now. Once you push this, see, once you push this, whatever the code available in your local, it will be like available in remote too. Okay, so come here, just refresh it. You will get index.html right now. This much clear? How to clone the repository, how to add a file, and how to see the changes in which branch you are working, how to check the status of the file, and how to commit the file, and how to push the file, and how to see the logs of a file. This much clear, na everyone? Who is having doubt? Anyone have any
Clear,
doubt?
sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope this much clear. So next thing what we need to do, let's consider in my team, Rahul is working on this code. Okay, so he will do changes, like he will do directly changes in my file. Okay, So he will add one paragraph. Okay, so this. Okay, so let's consider Rahul this development he has made. Okay, so he will upload, like he will commit these changes, okay, directly from his PC. Okay, he will give you a message added paragraph. Okay, like he will commit the changes. Okay, abhi commit hua. So if you see here, it will show you, okay, what changes Rahul has made. अभी मैं ही बनाया. Okay, I only make the changes and I am representing Rahul that he made the changes. I am just showing you what needs to be done once your like teammate made some changes in your project, what you need to do. Okay, so here like Rahul made a changes. So abhi tak a code remote it is there in remote only. Okay, so it is not available in my like local PC, right? So for that, what I need to do, see, either you can access the Git directly from your command prompt, okay, or else you can access from here. Okay, just give Git status first. Okay, so from your local, it's everything clean. Okay, so Git log, observe this, only there are 2 lines of log. अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, just give Git pull. आ गए ना? So it came, right? See, it is showing where the changes has done, where the changes like is being done. Okay, so the file changes is done in index.html at line number 10. Okay, so this changes is reflecting in me also, and it's there in Rahul's PC also. So every day, once you're working in a project, every day you should not forget to hit a command git pull. Okay, if you forget to pull take the pull in your local, if you directly push the changes, it will break the code. Okay, that is why every day, every hours, once your teammate tells you to take the pull, okay, you should take the pull. Clear na? So what are the things we
Yes,
learned?
sir.
Yes, what are the things we learned? Okay, so we learned how to create a repository, how to take the clone to my like a PC, and how to add a file. Okay, and how to bring that file into a stage. Okay, and how to commit it and how to push it. Later on, like once development is done by your friend, how to take that particular file to your PC. That also we checked. This much is clear, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So this is one way of doing like committing and all those stuffs. There will be another way. Okay, so I will show you that. So see, like GitHub desktop. Okay, GitHub desktop is nothing but like similar to like a CLI. Okay, whatever I done the changes through CLI, you have used the command, right? But here you can do those things visualizely. Okay, so I will show you that. See, like what once you install this application, like it will be like a blank. Okay, so what you need to do, go to file. Okay, add the local repository, choose the path. Okay, here it will open like file system. Go to your project, go to inspiration app, just select this particular path and add it. So see, now your file is added here. Now what I will do, like I will create another heading. and I will give some sample words. Okay, so let's see in our GitHub desktop how it will show. So see, it is showing what all are the changes. If you see in this particular plus mark, means it is plus is matlab adding. Okay, like if there is a minus or in red color, that will tell means you have removed the code, or else you have removed the lines. Okay, here Amara pass no, like we have two changes. One changes is this space and another changes is I have added the heading. So whatever the steps I followed in CLI, okay, I do the same thing directly from GUI now. Okay, so update index.html. Okay, so I will commit to main and I will push it. Okay, once you push this directly from your GUI, whatever the code you have in your local, that will be available in your remote also. See, new let me go to this one. See, update HTML. It came now. If you see this commit, yeah, sure.
सर अगर यहाँ से मतलब GUI से करते हैं तो फिर वहां से पुश करने की जरूरत नहीं है सर?
कहाँ से पुश करने? कमांड CLI से पुश करने का जरूरत नहीं पूछ रहे है ना?
हाँ,
नहीं, like GUI do the same things which you are doing from the command prompt.
अच्छा, तो मतलब दो ऑप्शन है, या तो GUI से कर लो या CLI से कर लो.
हाँ जी, यस, इधर आप UI से भी कर सकते हैं और GUI से भी कर सकते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट recommended फॉर अ फ्रेशर to directly use the GUI because you don't know what is happening in your backend, right?
Yes sir.
So if you see here, like there will be a logs. Okay, history is there, right? History, I don't use this actually. Okay, so in in local it will, like in backend it will show the logs. Okay, it will show the one by one logs. Okay, like what are the steps it is considering in before pushing the code. Okay, so like do all these stuff directly from your CLI, you will understand the better approach. Okay, and once you become well versed in this, okay, then use git GitHub GUI. Clear na? Any doubts?
No sir.
No doubts? Perfect. So now we have just saw like simple stuff of pushing the code. Now we will check what are the REST APIs is being called, okay, in backend. So full stack. I was just doing some project. Okay, in this I used Git Gitka API. Okay, so that I can fetch the repository just by using the API. Okay, so either here I will show you this one. Just give me 1 minute. See, this is the API. Okay, it will fetch the information. Okay, so like we have the name of the project, description, okay, like how much I mean stages, okay, like what all are the changes I have made, those things, okay, those counts it will show, and it will show fork counts and owner of this repository. Okay, so I will just show how these APIs is being called in backend. Okay, so I will just hit this. The curious thing. Yes, I will just sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. See, you got it. See, all these things is being called in the backend. Okay, so till here, na, we'll create a new file, copy it, save it as a JSON to show you. Yes, see here, the basic API what I have triggered, na, it consists of these informations. Okay, means repository ka name, okay, and uska like path. Okay, so this is the username, and for this username this particular project is belonging. Okay, and login, like who is the owner of that particular project, वो सब आपको दिखाएगा इधर. Okay, so वो project का अवतार. Okay, and all these URL you will get. This is the cloning URL. Okay, so sorry, this is the path URL of your repository. Okay, and how many of like following that particular repository, वो सब आपको दिखाएगा. Okay, so this much clear na. You can use all these APIs for your project. Okay, if you are using if you want to build an awesome like readme file for your repository, you can use this API in your MD file, .md file means markdown file, to showcase how your project is representing the technology, and it is showcasing how it is showcasing to the world. Okay, all these things you can use with like GitHub free APIs. Okay, so this is the cloning URL. Okay, using SSH and using normal HTTPS. Clear na? So any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we have understood multiple stuffs here, and now we will see like anyone here wants to share your screen and add as a collaborator to this project, who joined from the PC. Who wants to take the opportunity? Who want to take the opportunity, so we can add people as a collaborator and they can work on it. So who is sorry, I did not saw Arshada, right? Yeah, Arshada, can you share your screen? So yeah, like who raised first? Arshada raised first. Yeah, Rahul, like we will also come to you, bro. Okay, Kunal. So Arshada, screen share karo. So now what we are doing
The
now?
only presentation is share the screen.
Oh, okay. So, Yeshi, can you please give access to Arshad also? Hello? Um, Yeshi, is my voice audible? Give a- So where is Yeshi? Are you there? Yeshi or Sanskar? Acha, okay. So fine. What we can do now? Yeah, fine. So no worries. Once she come, oh, Yeshi is calling. Yeah, so I think they don't have access to give these steps. So no worries. Okay, so we can how can be done now? So what you do now, Arshada? So just fork this repository. Okay, so you know how to fork, right? Go to this particular URL. Okay, I am sharing in the chat. Okay, everyone, like you guys can try in your backend. Okay. So go to this URL, okay, and click on, there will be a button called fork. Click on that fork. Whatever the code is available over there, it will be also available in your in your repository. I mean, in your personal repository too. So to fork as done. Okay. So what I want to do means, like, add another index.html file with your name. Okay, if Arshada is doing that, okay, Arshada, please give arshada.html, or if any other person is doing, please do with that particular name. Done, right? Yeah,
So that
Rohit.
so
Kunal.
sir, could you please give us the URL?
Yeah, मैं chat में भेज दिया. I sent again. Yeah, so Yeshi just called me. Arshada, like, she is giving access to you also. Okay, for presenting. And Kunal, you too, bro. Okay. Yeah, Arshada, can you share your screen now? Is that fine, Kunal or you? Okay, Kunal or Arshada, who is going to share the screen?
sir, I am not attending this lecture from my PC actually.
Okay, so then who is attending the I mean session with PC? Rahul, you? Yeah, fine. So like can Yeshi, can you give access to Rahul? Okay, please.
Just give me a minute.
Yeah. So basically these stuffs we will do. Okay, once we are once we are doing any collaborative programming, or once you are contributing to the open source projects. Okay, so yeah, Rahul, you can share your screen, bro. Okay, just we need to make it little fast, guys. Okay, it's already 1 hour, so there are still some more concepts is available, so I need to discuss that too. Okay, yeah, Rahul, can you share? Yes, he's sharing. Yeah, so you forked it, right? So now what you need to do, you did you added Rahul? Can you give Rahul.html with the extensions? Yes. So just a basic, okay. So we should not see Rahul. If you give directly Rahul, okay, it won't. People will get confused whether वो कौन सा file है. Okay. So what you need to do, na? You need to there is a like a contribute wala button drop down है ना. See right side towards sing. Yeah, click on that. So open pull request. Okay, so once you are working on real project, okay, so you will be forking the repository, and like you will be forking the repository, and you will be seeing like what are the issues is there, and where I can solve, how can I solve those issues. Okay, it is telling Rahul created 2 files. Okay, and this file is being is able to merge to the main branch. Okay, so Rahul, like see over there, okay, it is showing some things, right? So like see whatever the code you have from in your main branch means Rahul 767 7697762 is there, right? That is, that particular branch is available in your repository. Okay, and the curious stream inspiration app is available in our repository. So now whatever the changes you made and whatever the changes we have, it both should be matching. Okay, if it is not matching, na, it will raises the conflict. Okay, so bro, create a pull request now. Yeah, give a suitable title. What changes you made? It is whether it's a updating or it is a bug fix, or whether it is a issue or in a code or something. Okay, here what you done, you have make one changes like adding a new file, right? You give just added the file name, added the tag means the colon and the file name. So there will be some protocols. Okay, you just can't directly write with some message. Okay, so you need to follow certain things. It should be legitimate. Okay, so that the owner of that repository will get to know like what are the changes you are trying to fix. Okay, give some random description, what changes you have made. Okay, so create spelling wrong. Okay, so by the next time when you're doing, bro, okay, everyone guys, okay, make yourself, represent yourself genuine. Okay, so CREATE. Okay, so represent yourself as a genuine to the other developers, who what issue you are trying to fix. Okay, so that your like merge conflicts or your efforts, sorry, not merge conflicts, your efforts will be valued. Okay, so just create a pull request, bro. Yes, scroll down. See here, so give the comment, sir, I have like tell to the developer like I am able to solve this issue. Okay, so where the issue is, what the issue is, and what you are trying to fix the issue, what are the like what are the basic steps you are using to fix the issue. Okay, just give a brief comment so that it will be like a chatting window, okay, between you between the moderator and between you. Okay, so you can give here, I have added the files. Okay, so which is required as per our discussion. So a valid message should be there, guys. Okay, so that only like moderator will get to know, he will trust you, whatever the code you have written, that is genuine. Okay, then give comment. नीचे कमेंट है ना ग्रीन कलर में? Yes. So like I will share my screen now. Okay, so now let's consider Rahul finished his development work. Okay, and if you see observe the screen, guys. Okay, so there is no pull request here. Okay, I will refresh the page. Here. If you see one branch, okay, so there are 4 pull requests. Wow, great. See, there are 4 pull requests available, right? So abhi mein kya kiya, it will show, see, if you see the hierarchy na, 1 2 3 4, right? So it will show who pushed the who raised the pull request at first. Okay, so it will take it up like step by step. So what we will do, we will see the changes of Pankaj. Okay, so I want to pull my HTML. So this is not a valid message. Okay, so people will get confused what he want to take the pull. Okay, so this is like people can reject it. So here may like I will give like merge, confirm merge. Okay, so but people will reject those files. Okay, but because that message is not valid na, that's why. So second हमारा रोहित ने file add किया. So see, Rohit added a file and like he has given some changes here. So added more commits by pushing main branch to Rohit inspiration app. Okay, so yeah, this is like this is something a valid message. Okay, and here if you see the changes in Rohit's machine. Okay, so he did not added anything, just it is showing what changes he has made. Okay, so I have reviewed these changes. Okay, I will message, I have reviewed it. Sorry. Okay, I have reviewed the file changes. Okay, and I have approved this like commit. Okay, so it will be like a message to the developer who is working for this project. And I see that like I have given a comment so that he got to know that his comment is approved. Okay, so confirm merge. See, now the code is available. If you come here and if you refresh the page, it will show all the files. Okay, similarly we can like take up the pull request which is raised by the developers. Okay, so like अभी तो time नहीं है उतना. Okay, so thank you Kunal, Arshada and Rahul for your efforts. Okay, so yeah, and one more thing. Okay, so whatever the changes is done by Kunal, whatever the changes is done by Arshada, it is separated now. Okay, so first मैं क्या करता हूँ, I need to take the pull. Okay, even though if you push the changes, I need to take the pull. Okay, so here first I will see the status. Okay, so see, it is showing boss, your particular repository is 4 commits behind. Okay, so मैं क्या करना, I need to write a command git pull. See, कितना सारा फाइल आ गया मेरा पीसी में. पंकज का फाइल भी आ गया, एंड्रॉइड का फाइल भी आ गया. Okay, so I can see the log now. Okay, just see here log. If you observed what we done, so where from where it started. Yeah, it is started from here, and here if you see, we have merged the changes of Rohit, and first time we have merged the changes of Pankaj. Okay, again like we have merged the file of Rohit. Okay, it is showing all the changes what being done in that particular branch. Okay, so what you need to do now, okay, just press who will share the screen now. Rahul, share your screen, bro, again. Now Rahul don't have the changes of Pankaj. Okay, he need to do some syncing operation. So syncing का मतलब क्या है, मैं क्या क्या changes accept किया मेरा PC में, and whatever the changes is there in Rahul's PC, both are not matching. So he need to sync up with my branch. Okay, go to inspiration, go to code, bro. Okay, code window है ना उधर, left side, yeah. इधर आपको sync like this is not in your PC, in your local, sorry, in your repository. This is available in like remote. Okay, so what you do na, just 1 minute, go to your profile right side में ऊपर वो है ना, yes, here go to your profile. Yes, in this inspiration app का एक folder है ना, yeah, open करो. Yes, this is the one which is available in your I mean in your repository. Previously you was showing the folder, I mean the project which is available in like in our moderators account. Okay, now we is showing the repository which is available in his local, I mean in his personal repository, means the forked one. Okay, so just give your sync fork. Yes, update branch. Yes, see, once you give these changes, whatever the latest change, Pankaj क्या क्या changes किया ना, वो file भी इधर है. Previously it was not there, right? Rahul, did you observe? So did you guys observe? Can we have just words on the chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is how you will be going to do in Hacktoberfest. Okay, this is called open source contribution. Okay, so he has, see, like our open source contributor like Rahul and Pankaj, Kunal, Arshada, they have they have made their open source contribution for inspiration app. Okay, this is how the product lifecycle will be happening. Okay, if you are contributing for open source, you will see the issue, you will understand the issue, you will fork the repository, you will raise the pull request. Once the moderator verifies, he will merge the code to that particular place. Okay, that particular branch. And you should not at all forget to click on sync fork. If you forget and if you start doing the development, whatever the efforts you will be doing, everything will be lime in a water. Okay, if you put lime in C, okay, will that be a useful? No, right? So it's off like that. Okay, so you guys understood lots of stuff we have done today. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
सर एक छोटा सा डाउट था
हाँ कुणाल.
सर, मतलब जो आप मॉडरेटर कह रहे थे जो पुल रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करता है वो सॉर्ट ऑफ अ एडमिन जैसा ही होता है ना?
Yes, he is the admin and he is the owner of the repository.
तो सर एक रिपोजिटरी में एक से ज्यादा मॉडरेटर हो सकते हैं?
हाँ, why not? So moderator, एक से ज्यादा moderator हो सकता है. So see, I showed, let me share my screen. So I showed one option, na, collaborator, contributor. So means directly
sir.
project contributor. Here मैं आपको दिखा है ना contributors. इधर कौन कौन लोग रहेगा? See, I can give my name. The curious. Who can give? Rahul, tell me your username, bro. Rahul?
Yes, sir.
आपका
Rahul
repository
76
76
97
97
762.
change this, okay? Change the username. So I have added him as a repository, okay? Just check in your mail, you will be getting an invite. Okay, you need to accept the invite within 7 days. So see, Kunal, for your answer, he is directly belong to our team now. He is working in my project, not a outsourcing. Okay, so he like whatever the access I have, like Rahul is also having the same access. Okay, and whatever the things I am doing, I can assign Rahul to look into this issue. Okay, see, अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, इधर इधर अर्षदा ने एक कोड लिखा है ना, मैं असाइन करता हूँ किसको? राहुल को. Okay, to see these changes, see, I am assigning to Rahul. If you see here, Rahul, can you check on this? I will mention Rahul. Can you please check on this issue? Okay, so Rahul can see the verify these changes. If it is genuine, na, he can directly push the accept the changes. Okay, he can directly hit this merge pull request. Okay, and also we can create a labels for this. If it is a bug, okay, we can give the bug, something is not working. If you see here the tag name will be changed, right? Yes, Rahul has merged the changes. So because previously can't able to do that, this option was disabled for him. Now he is onboarded to our project as a core team member, as a contributor. So he can do that. Previously he was an open source contributor. Now he is like closed source, means inside our team only he is contributing. Okay, like this, I will show an example. Okay, like this in our project we have we have some kind of developers. Okay, so yeah, we have all these developers who are directly working on our project. Okay, so they are belonging to our project and they are working on this project. Similarly, like Rahul is also one of the contributor for this project, so that he don't need special access or he don't need other access to push the code or pull the code. Okay, he can directly do like how I am doing. Clear na, Kunal?
Yes, sir.
I hope this session is not dragging, it's informative.
Definitely, sir.
Yes, so nice. So this much clear. So now we will see little advanced of these things. Okay, so as of now you guys understood the basic git basic stuffs. Okay, so now we will see high level architecture of git, like a product development life cycle. Okay, so how it is happening. Okay, if you see which is the best diagram, this is the best diagram. Yeah, if you see this, okay, so there are so many branches, main branch hai, release branch hai, develop branch hai, and feature branch hai, right? So इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, so main अभी तक हम क्या क्या कर रहे थे, like we were working on only this branch. Okay, so if we work on this branch, if something is not working, then it will break the actual flow, right? Yes or not?
Yes.
So if it break the actual flow of the project, okay, so user experience will be very bad, right? So in order to minimize this issue, okay, so we have come up with a feature of creating branches, okay, branches architecture. Okay, so if you see here, okay, so there will be a one branch called master branch, and after that from master branch you are taking the code to the develop branch. From develop branch you are taking the code for the feature branch. Okay, so like features can be multiple. Okay, multiple features branch can be there. Okay, so like a develop branch will be one. Okay, develop branch and main branch will be one, but feature branch and release branch will be multiple. Okay, so see how it is, like what this diagram states, I will show you. Okay, here, like yesterday I think you guys have joined the session of product like management, right? Did I spell properly? Is that session only? Product manager
Yes,
क्या करता है, right? So product manager, what he will do, he will create a repository of your project. Okay, like inspiration app name मैं बना दिया, right? I created the name, and it will I will assign those particular project to the team leads. Okay, team leads ने क्या करेगा, team leads will be doing like some stuff. Okay, some stuff का मतलब क्या होता, so he will create a develop branch at initial stage. Okay, and he will create a features and he will assign that features to the developers. Okay, let's consider like हम login का एक पेज बना रहे, वो login का पेज डेवलपमेंट हुआ, I will do once testing. I will see the testing, right? Like how the login page is visualizing, any merged, any issues is there in that login page, or like any responsive issues, any UI issues is there, right? We will test that. That is called unit testing. Once that particular testing is done, okay, so you will tell your team lead, ma'am, I finished my development life cycle, so I need to push that particular branch to develop branch. Can you verify my code? Your team lead will verify your code and he will tell, yes, you can merge your code to develop branch. Okay, so you will take the code like this and you will merge to develop branch, so that whatever the code you have done in a feature, it will be available in develop, right? So once your code go to the develop branch, okay, so at every sprint, okay, sprint matlab kya hota hai na, 15 days sprint will be there. Okay, 15 days you will be working on one feature. After completing your sprint, okay, you will tell the testing team and your team lead, ma'am, can we go for M2Q? M2Q matlab kya hota hai na, move to QA testing. Then there n number of testers, means 5 to 10 testers, they will test your feature and they will test the current flow of your application. Okay, and for that we will create a new branch called release branch. Once the testing completely done in the release branch, okay, all the codes will be taken from release branch to like once a testing team give green signal, you will merge the code to develop branch. If any bugs is there, you will fix it. Okay, if any bugs is there, you will fix it over there. Okay, so if any bugs is there, you will fix it and you will tell to merge the code of release branch to main and develop, so that वो बग मेन ब्रांच में भी सॉरी डेवलप ब्रांच में भी फिक्स हुआ है एंड मेन ब्रांच में भी फिक्स हुआ है. Okay, so and once M2 queue is done, you will merge that branch to master or main and develop. Okay, and after this, like it is like M2P, move to production. Move to QA का मतलब क्या होता है? Your code is ready for testing. Move to production का मतलब क्या होता? Your code is ready for live users. That is what I mentioned here. I will share this document. Okay, so yeah, so that is what I mentioned here. Like I have used the develop branch. इसका मतलब क्या है? Feature branch का मतलब क्या है? Release branch का मतलब क्या है? Hotfix का मतलब क्या है? Okay, so this much clear what each branch is telling. Anyone have any doubts? Team? Anyone have any doubts?
Clear, sir.
So can we move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubts, just let me know. Okay, so I will sort it out here itself. Can we like you are also trying in your local, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we will see all these things in a live. Okay, so मैं क्या करता हूँ quick से where I open the project. Here I open the project na. So if I see, yeah, here already present. Okay, so I will just do a little modification. Okay, so I will run the command git flow init. Okay, it will help to modify my previous available particular repository to my git flow architecture. Okay, so see, it is telling the branch names what I said. I keep it default. You guys saw, right? Here what all are the branches is available? Main branch, develop branch, feature, bug fix, release, hotfix, support. Okay, so अभी हम टेस्ट करेंगे कौन सा ब्रांच में हूं मैं. I am in develop. Git is intelligent fellow. He don't want to make any interruptions to my production branch, main branch. So it will automatically change your code to develop branch. Okay, so अभी मैं push करता हूँ ये branch like it is not available in remote. So मैं push करने के लिए command use कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so basically it will upstream your branch and keep it track on your remote. Okay. Yes. See, new branch name came, right? If you see the contents, okay, all the contents which is available in main branch is also available in develop branch because it's a replica. Okay, see, there is a new branch called develop. So you can ask me question. So Nandan, how you can create a branch? Okay, it's simple, very simple. Just give git branch.
We will write git branch and the name of the branch, sir.
Yes. Login. Okay, so that's it. So Abhi, check the branch. You are in the develop branch. Just check out to login. Git checkout. The command is git checkout
branch name.
Yes. Now check the branch, login branch. You will do the changes in login and you will push it. So, but here it's a cache. Okay. So what in git flow, what happens? There is separate set of commands. Okay. I am working on login feature. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to start the like a git flow, git flow architecture, right? So if you give git flow, it will give all the sub commands list. इधर मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? I am starting feature. Okay, so git flow feature, you just execute, it will show all the set which is available. Okay, see here it is telling boss you can use this command to start the feature branch. Base का मतलब क्या है? On which base code you are considering, whether you are considering develop, obviously it is develop only, so you need to give git flow feature start. ओके फीचर नाम क्या है? लॉगिन ब्रांच. ओके लॉगिन फीचर ब्रांच. ओके सी git branch. Okay, see here it is showing develop है, feature branch है, login है, main है. So you are if you see the color format of this, white color text is available in your local and green dot indicates you are in that particular branch. Okay, so just give git branch -a. Okay, to see all the branches which is available in your local and also in your remote repository. Okay, if it is showing in red color, that means it is available in your browser, means in remote or in a cloud. If it is showing in white color, it is means available in your local, and if it is in green color, it will show in this branch you are working on. Okay, so for this feature branch I will create a new file. Okay, login page dot html. So I will give h1 tag. This is login page. This is login page information. Okay, you can see this is the login page information. So अभी हम क्या करना है ना? So we will push these changes to our remote. Okay, so for that obviously the command is first git branch, which branch you are working. So then git status. Okay, so now login page added, git add dot. Okay, git commit -m, give the message login page development. Okay, git push, it will tell upstream boss push the changes to remote. See abhi push hua, right, from this branch local to remote branch, right? So you can come here and refresh your page, it will show the branch, right? दिख रहा है ना login branch? So I will tell my team lead, ma'am, I finished the design, can I merge this code to develop branch? Ma'am will tell yes you can. After testing, see I finished the testing, yes this is coming like this, everything is perfect. So I need to take this code to my develop branch. Okay, so for that what I need to do, git flow feature finish kn. Okay, so and the branch name, feature name. फीचर ब्रांच कौन सा है? लॉगिन फीचर ब्रांच ना, keep it. So -kn, sorry. So -kn, what it will do, it won't delete this branch. Okay, it will preserve the branch for future purpose. So once you hit this command, it will push the code, whatever the code you have in your local, it will push the code to develop. Okay, and like it will keep the those changes in develop branch. Okay, see, okay, -. Git flow feature finish. Yes. So we will execute with this command only. Like I'm just deleting these branches once I finish the repository. Once I finish the changes. See, it is clearly telling, okay, updating the commits, fast forward, login page, create mode, it is telling. Okay, so branches is deleted with this name. Okay, summary, it is telling the feature branch was merged to develop. Feature branch has been locally detected, it is not remotely detected from origin. Okay, so you are now in develop. So what I need to do, all these changes is available in my local, I need to push it now. If you push these changes, all these changes will be available in develop too. See, feature branch, like last time it was showing 3 branches. Okay, now it is showing 2 branches, right? I deleted that branch and here it is showing the contributor of this project. Right? Any doubt till now?
So what was that kn command for?
Kn command is will be like it will help you to not delete the branches.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see, if without kn command, okay, so whatever the data I was having na, so I just deleted the branch and I will keep all the branch to my develop branch. Right? Any doubts? So basically the command for kn I will show you. Okay, so like it is like this. Okay, if you want you can definitely try it out. Where is that? Yes. So if you see this, all this command like we have, if you want, definitely I'll share. Okay, so see, this is the one. Like you can use like a finish -kn. Okay, so just to keep that particular branch available in your even after merging. Okay, so abhi kya hua, the difference is whatever the feature I am working, like once it is completely done, I deleted the branches once it merged to develop, but you can preserve it. Got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
So now what we done? So we just created the release branch. We need to go for M2P. Okay, M2P. Before that M2Q I need to go, right? So I need to create a new branch for that. Git flow release start. Release name क्या है? 0.0.1. Okay, means this is the first feature I am working for our project. So this is the tag point 1. So what it will do, it will create a new branch. Okay, see the branch release branch mein hu main. Okay, so in release branch, I will do some modifications. Okay, so where it is login page in I fixed the bug. Okay, bug fix. So once it is fixed, let's consider this is the bug I have fixed it in release branch. So I need to push this branch to our develop branch and also main branch, right? For that, what command we need to use? Git. First, you need to push it. What changes you have made, right? If you don't push, you it will be not tracked in a remote. I pushed it. So मेरा bug fix हुआ release branch में. So I am testing team gave green signal for me to take this code push to the main branch. So what I will do, I will execute this command. Okay, git flow release finish -k. Okay, so what is the feature release branch? 0.0.1. This is what the command is telling now here. See? So once I hit this, okay, it won't delete the branch, but it will merge the branch, merge the changes. Okay, it will take some time. Fatal contain unstaged changes. Okay, git status. Oh shit, we need to add it. I'm executing the same command. Okay, so git push. Yes, done. Push हुआ. So once bug is fixed, I am going for M2P. Okay, with this command. Yes. Main branch is diverse. Why? Oh yes. So previously I created a main branch with the actual, with the normal Git flow. I mean Git in it, but this is Git flow in it, right? So that is why this error is coming. Fatal. Okay, Git status. And branch main may be fast forwarded. Why this error coming? See, somebody use this. Somebody like they have. See, I think Rahul is merged the changes. So this particular branch is throwing the error. So see, I did not take the pull. I tried to upload the data. So that is why this issue was coming. This is the branch name, right? So I will execute now. It should work. See, so it is asking to write a message. What is the message? Login page development. Oh shit. Login page development. This is Linux command. Okay. WK enter. See, if you observe this, it is asking release branch has been merged to main. The same branch is merged to develop. That is what this is telling, na? So where is my notion? Yes, see, this is what I am doing now. Okay, see, mera code either hua sab. I am taking this code to go for main and develop. So all the changes is available in my local. I need to push it now. Okay, first I push the develop. Now I will push the main. Okay, let's consider there is a major bug, okay, in our main branch. So that time what I need to do, I need to create a new branch called hotfix branch. Hotfix branch matlab kya hota? So it's a very complicated branch. You need to fix this particular error. Okay, even though if you have booked your flight for the vacation, okay, you need to cancel the vacation and you need to work on this branch. Okay, so I will show that also. Git flow hotfix start. Okay, issue number like you need to give issue number. Okay, let's consider issue number 1, issue 1 number #1. Okay, it will create the new branch. Okay, and here let's consider you make login is working now. Login page is working now. Okay, so commit these changes. Git add dot first, obviously git branch, git add dot git commit, git status. Yeah, changes done. Git add git commit -m. We will give issue #1 fixed. Git push. First it will show this substring. Execute this. Then push the changes. It will be taken. Everything is up to date. So like I have finished this hotfix. So what command I need to give? Git flow hotfix finish. Okay, -k if you want to preserve the branch. And hotfix branch का नाम क्या है? This is the one. Observe the summary, guys. Yes, you need to write a message. Okay, just remove this. Oh, sorry, insert we need to give. issue #1 fixed valid message. Okay, colon escape shift colon WQ enter. It will save the changes. See, hotfix merged to main. Okay, like hotfix merged to develop. Okay, so what are the changes is available in hotfix is being sent to main branch and also develop branch. You need to push it now. First you will push to develop. Okay, then git checkout main push to main. Somebody again make the changes. Git sorry git push main not. Yes, so main to main done. Git fetch origin. Git fetch origin basically it will help you to fetch all the information which is available in remote. For example, I will show this last and I will wind up. So branches may either okay, I will create a new branch. Okay, so I will give remote branch, remote bug fix. Okay, naming convention should be proper. Okay, I am creating this particular based on the main branch only. So create a branch. See, new branch is created. All these things is not available in my local. So what I need to do, I need to execute this command git fetch origin. It will show what are the changes available in C. New branch is created and that branch is available in your local also. Now give git branch. Sorry. Git branch and git branch -a. All the branches available in remote came, including the new branch. Okay, now last Rahul, share your screen. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir, but sir, I am not sharing the screen. Sir, I am
Okay,
disconnect
anyone?
now.
Okay, anyone who want to share? No one? Just execute git fetch origin, sync the fork. Okay, give git fetch origin. Okay, you will get all the changes. Okay, so that is what we need to do. Everything is clear. So any doubts? So let me take the screenshot. So Ishi, can I post this on LinkedIn?
Yes, sir, you can do it.
Okay, thank you. So any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
So
no, sir.
let's connect on LinkedIn. Okay, so I'll just share my link. Okay, so do send the connection request. If you have any doubts, just let me know. Okay, so I am happy to help.
Sure, sir.
Thank you guys. Take care. So yeah, I hope the discussion is clear. So Perfect. We can wind up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, fine. So we can wind up. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for this opportunity, Yashi.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a great session, and I hope every other students would have enjoyed the session and would have learned something out of it, right? So thank you so
Uh,
much, Nandan, for giving us insights and helping us out throughout. Thank you so much for joining today.
yes, thank you. Yes. Okay. So we will drop off in. I hope there is no
Yes,
doubt. Yeah. Thank you.
yes,
Thank you all.
everyone can
Take
drop
care.
on. Thank you so much, Nandan.
Yes. And Yashi, can I share all these things in the group?
Yes, of course you can.
Sure,
If
sure.
anyone have any doubts, so they can ask. You can give me the doubts. I can forward to Nandan.
Yes. So if you have any doubts, okay, so I will share my number also. You can just reach out to me.
Of course,
I
I
have
will
posted
forward
my
it to
number in
you.
the chat.
Yeah, even you can reach out if it is okay for the student to on LinkedIn, on your LinkedIn, if it is okay.
Yeah, sure, they can. They can definitely share. Sir, please send the group link. Yeah, sure, I will share now only. So where is there? 1 second. I will need to turn on the phone link. So I need to copy. Yes, link is copied. 1 second. Why it is not connecting? Think it should sync. Else I will share too. Just give me a minute.